Presenting the 2006 Ford Focus SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: privacy glass, light, coil rear spring, vehicle emissions, ULIV 2, front shoulder room, 53.5, AM/FM stereo, seatbelt pretensioners, front, dual vanity mirrors, and cargo area light. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.